All right, so first and foremost, this is just review. You have your superior vena cava here, but underneath that, we're going to look at the esophagus. And this is not teased greatly, but that would be the esophagus right there. Yeah. So I'd pin that, call it the esophagus. That's the food passage tube. And you want to follow the esophagus all the way down to your stomach. Okay? And this would be your stomach right here.
Everything is so squished.
Yeah, it is.
Can you not do that to us?
Okay, so you follow your food tube, you follow your esophagus all the way down to your stomach, and then that would be your stomach right there. Okay, what's found in your stomach?
Hydrochloric acid.
Peptide.
And pepsin, correct. The superior sphincter is going to be the esophageal sphincter. So if I pin it and exaggerate it over here, I'm looking for esophageal sphincter. If I pin it and exaggerate it towards the bottom, I'm looking for pyloric sphincter. If I pin it right there in the middle, I'm looking for stomach. And if I ask you what's found in this structure, you would say pepsin or hydrochloric acid. Say both. That's going to go down. So this is what I was telling you guys about earlier. It's very hard for me to pin like ascending, transcending, descending, so on and so forth. But I will let you know what you can find here. The first part of the small intestine, this would be your duodenum. And I know that's true because this is your pyloric sphincter, and this would be the next tube that exits out the stomach, okay? So I would pin the very beginning of this mess right here and call that duodenum. And then your jejunum is just gonna be anything in the middle. So I would just find a piece over here, anything over here, and pin it, okay? That would be your jejunum. Not to be confused with your duodenum. Your duodenum is gonna be very close to your stomach, okay? So your duodenum, your jejunum, anywhere, any one of these. Then your ileum is gonna be easy to find because the first thing I notice is this big C structure right here, okay? C for cecum, okay? And you know the cecum is the first or the start of your large intestine. So I'd pin that over here. That's your C structure, that's your cecum. Therefore, this would be all your large intestine. Therefore, before the cecum, if I pinned it right here, that would be your ileum. Does that make sense? Ileum, cecum, large intestine, or colon. Do not worry about ascending, transverse or descending, okay? Recap, esophagus,